Hi, this is Carolina with Revithis Realty. I'm here at 20 Donlyn Drive in Chicopee. This newly renovated ranch has a beautiful new bathroom with shiplap walls and subway tile. And the family room in the basement is just made for entertaining. Wait till you see the cedar closet too. Let's go take a look. I hope you enjoyed your personal tour here at 20 Donlyn Drive. If you have any questions about this property or any other property, please call the number down below. Here at Revithis Realty, we believe who you work with matters, and we want to work with you.